What's something people don't know about planks? It's a super popular exercise, you see it everywhere, right? Gyms, home workouts, online. But are you doing it right? Are you getting all the power? Let's find out together now. This simple move can change your body. It can truly transform your core. Many people think they know planks. They drop down and hold. They think that's all there is. But there's so much more to it. The magic is in the details. It's about perfect form. It's about engaging every muscle. Without good form, you miss out. You might even risk getting hurt. We don't want that for you. This isn't about just going through motions. This is about making every second count. Your time is precious, I get it. So let's make your planks work harder. Let's make them super effective. What's something people don't know about planks? Alright, let's get real about form. So many people make small errors. These errors add up big time. The most common one? Sagging hips. Your body should be a straight line. Think head to heels, one strong plank. If your hips dip too low, that's a problem. Your lower back takes all the strain. This is not what we want. We want core power, not back pain. Another big mistake is a raised butt. Some people pike their hips way up. They think it makes it easier. Or maybe they just don't know. This takes the work off your core. It puts stress on your shoulders. Your abs aren't doing the job. Remember, we want a flat back, like a strong, sturdy table. No mountains or valleys, please. Your neck should be in line. A natural extension of your spine. Gaze down at the floor slightly ahead. This keeps everything aligned properly. I don't think people understand how crucial form is. So, you make a few mistakes. What's the big deal, you ask? Bad plank form cheats you. It can lead to aches and pains, even serious injuries. Form is crucial. Protect your spine and shoulders. Are you struggling to perfect your plank form, ready to build that perfect plank? Let's do this step by step. It's easier than you might think. First, decide forearms or hands. For a forearm plank, elbows under shoulders. For a high plank, hands under shoulders. This foundation is super important. Next, extend your legs back. Now engage your core muscles. Imagine you're bracing for a punch. From your head to your heels. No sagging hips, remember that. Use a mirror if you need to. This is why you need a solid plank. Why all this focus on one move? Because a proper plank is powerful. The benefits go way beyond just abs. Planks work your entire core. Transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, obliques, and even your lower back. A strong core is your body's foundation. It supports almost every move you make. Improved posture is a huge benefit. It helps you stand taller, reduces strain on your back, makes you look more confident. Good posture is good for your health. It allows your lungs to expand fully, helps your digestion work better. Planks also improve your balance. You're holding steady, resisting the urge to wobble. Better balance means fewer falls, more agility in sports. Helps in everyday life too. Carrying groceries, playing with kids. I bet you didn't know how powerful a plank can be. Section 6, the 20-minute body plank challenge. Can you handle it? Alright, you know the mistakes. You know the perfect form now. You know all the amazing benefits. So, are you ready for a challenge? I thought so. This is where it gets fun. This is where you see real progress. The 20-minute body plank challenge. Don't worry, not a 20-minute plank. It's about consistency over time. Small steps lead to big results. Here's how the challenge works. For the next 30 days, commit. Commit to planking with perfect form. Day 1, hold your best plank. Time yourself. Write it down. Maybe it's 20 seconds, maybe 60. It doesn't matter where you start. What matters is that you start. And that your form is spot on. Quality over quantity, always. Each day, try to add a few seconds. Or do multiple sets of your best time. For example, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Listen to your body, don't overdo it. If form breaks, stop, rest, reset. The goal is gradual improvement. Focus on that straight line. I will show you how to get the best core of your life. Plank your way to a stronger you. The complete guide to mastering the plank. No more guessing, no more wasted effort. You now have the knowledge and tools to succeed. You know what to do, how to do it, and why it's important. It's a gateway to a stronger core and a healthier you. Remember, perfection takes practice. Don't get discouraged. Small adjustments make a huge impact. Stay consistent. Every single plank session counts. Think about the power you're building. Not just in your abs, but all over. A core that supports every movement. Posture that makes you feel confident. balance that keeps you steady and strong, and mental toughness that carries over. These benefits are within your reach.
Follow a Health Stack for daily tips to build muscle, shed pounds, and own your wellness journey. Let's grow stronger together.